the Philippine Prison Bureau of Corrections. Bureau of Correction maintains 7 correctional facilities, strategically located at over the country as follows. Number 1 is the New Bilibid Prison in Muntinlupa City. Number 2 is Correctional Institution for Women in Mandaluyong City. Number 3, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Number 4, Davao Prison and Penal Farm, Davao del Norte. Sablayan Prison and the Penal Farm, Occidental Mindoro. San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm, Zamboanga City. Leyte Regional Prison, Abuyog. And the 7th prison and penal farm in the Philippines. Number 1 is the San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm, established on August 21, 1869 in Zamboanga City during the time of Governor General Ramon Blanco for the confinement of political offenders. The 7th prison and penal farm in Philippines. Number 2 is ang Iwahig Prison Penal Farm, established on November 16, 1904 through the authority of Governor Luke Wright. Inmates who are well behaved and declared tractable were assigned to this colony. And then number 2, the 7th prison and penal farm in Philippines is Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, also known as the prison without walls. The colony is divided into 4 sub-colonies, namely Santa Lucia Subcolony, Inagawan Subcolony, Montebol Subcolony, Central Subcolony. Number 3, Correctional Institution for Women. In 1931, the Correctional Institution for Women was established on an 18 hectares piece of land in Mandaluyong, Rizal by authority of Act 3579. Davao Prison and Penal Farm, formerly called Davao Penal Colony, was created to Act number 3732 in January 21, 1932, and is located at the districts of Panabo and Tagum in Davao del Norte. The Davao Penal Colony is the first penal settlement founded and organized under the Filipino administration. New Bilibid Prison, established in Muntinlupa by virtue of Commonwealth Act number 67 on November 15, 1940. The 3 security camps are maximum, medium security compound. New Bilibid Prison, the Bukang Liwayway camp houses the minimum security. The Sampaguita camp is located in reception and diagnostic center, the house of the medium security. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, established on September 26, 1954 by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 72. The penal colony has a total of land area of approximately 16,190 hectares. 3 subcolonies are protected rainforest reservation, coastal, and the relocation site for Mount Pinatubo. Leyte Regional Prison, established a year after the declaration of martial law in 1972. The prison admits convicted offenders from Region 6 and from the National Penitentiary. Mandate: the Bucor shall be in charge of safekeeping and institutional reforming programs to National PDL sentenced to more than 3 years. Mission: to contribute to the protection of the society by ensuring that the PDL confined at Bucor are completely incapacitated from further committing criminal acts through instituting effective safekeeping by the engaging of different reformation programs to become a productive law abiding member of society upon release. Function, to extend organization of Bucor. Director, Deputy Director, Administration, Security and Operation, Reformation. Rank classification. Position, Director General. Rank, Undersecretary. Deputy Director General. Rank, Assistant Secretary. Correction Chief, Superintendent. Chief Superintendent. Correction, Senior Superintendent, Senior Superintendent. Correction Superintendent, Superintendent. Admission and confinement of PDL. Reception and Diagnostics Center. Every newly committed PDL shall be mandatory housed at the RDC for not more than 60 days, comprising of 5 days of quarantine period and the 55 orientation, diagnostic evaluation, and the initial security classification, after which he or she shall be transmitted to her assigned correction facility based on the approved resolution of the RDC Initial Classification Board. Admission passes. Body search of PDL and personal belongings. Personal belongings of PDL. Wearing of jewelry, money, medicines and confiscation. PDL diagnostic. Medical assessment, sociology assessment, psychology assessment, educational assessment, vocational skill assessment, classification of PDL, classifications board, mental health, physical capability and capacity, educational skill and or talents, and prior occupation. Security classification of PDL. Those sentenced with capital offense, maximum